Get this, what if we could unlock the secrets of extreme dieting from snakes? Yeah, you heard me right. Pythons, to be specific. These guys are the ultimate crash dieters. Imagine eating an entire antelope in one go and then not eating for months. It's like a superpower, right? But here's the crazy part, scientists have found a molecule in python blood that might just be the key to a new generation of obesity drugs. So, these researchers discovered that after a python feasts, a certain metabolite spikes in their blood. They called it pTOS, and it's produced by the snake's gut bacteria. Now, when they gave this pTOS to obese mice, something remarkable happened. These mice started avoiding food and shedding weight rapidly. It's like the molecule flipped a switch in their appetite control center. You might be thinking, well, we're not snakes, so how does this help us? Great question. Dr. Jonathan Long, one of the researchers, said it best, we might not be snakes, but by studying these extreme eaters, we can identify metabolic pathways that could influence human metabolism, too. It's like finding a hidden link between these creatures and us. Here's where it gets even more fascinating. Pythons have this incredible ability to consume massive meals, and their bodies adapt dramatically. Their hearts expand, and their metabolism skyrockets, all to handle the feast. Then, they can go over a year without eating, and it's like they're totally fine. It's like they have this metabolic superpower. The researchers initially wanted to understand the python's heart growth after feeding, but they stumbled upon this pTOS molecule. And when they gave it to mice, it didn't affect their energy levels or organs, but it did something unexpected, it suppressed their appetite. That's a huge deal because it works differently from existing weight loss drugs, which often have side effects like nausea and stomach pain. Now, this pTOS molecule seems to target a brain region called the hypothalamus, which is like the appetite control center. It's like it's telling the brain, hey, you're full, no need to eat more. This discovery opens up a whole new avenue for potential obesity treatments, and the best part? It's naturally occurring in humans, so it's likely safe. What I find truly mind-blowing is how nature has these hidden solutions right in front of us. Snakes have been doing this extreme dieting for ages, and now we're unlocking their secrets. It makes me wonder what other creatures might hold the keys to solving some of our biggest health challenges. Nature is full of surprises, and this research proves it. So, who knows what other amazing discoveries are waiting to be made?